Julian McGarvey, also QB of Ardsley High School, somehow turned a sure loss into a miraculous victory on Saturday at Pace University with an interception in the last second and Hail Mary. With 2.4 seconds to play, Tappan Zee was up 51-49 and coming under his own basket. Tappan Zee played the odds by throwing the ball towards a sliding player, but McGarvey came down with the ball around the opposite three-point line. Out of balance, he took a dribble and with one hand a prayer that moved through the net, giving Ardsley an unthinkable 52-51 state title. At one point it seems that everyone was about to finish and I am about to start crying on the court because I missed the free throws to win the game for my team, said McGarvey. And then they throw one in the middle of the court, I catch it, I stumble a bit, I throw it when I'm falling back and found the bottom of the net. McGarvey, who will play football at Marist, was the most valuable player of the tournament and finished with 11 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists and 5 steals.